One of the biggest lies we tell ourselves is that some people are just naturally good at talking to others, while the rest of us are doomed to struggle. That's simply not true. Humans are social creatures by nature. Our brains are wired to pick up on patterns, read emotions, and navigate conversations, just like we learn language as children. Think about it. Babies don't take language classes, but they still figure out how to communicate just by listening and observing. No one sits them down and says, "Repeat after me. This is a dog." They just hear words over and over, and their brain does the rest. Social skills work the same way. If you feel uncomfortable talking to people, it's not because you're socially broken. It's because you haven't had enough real-world exposure. In today's world, we spend more time texting and scrolling than actually engaging with people face-to-face. We're fluent in emojis and DMs, but barely passing when it comes to real-life conversations. Social interaction isn't just about words. It's about reading facial expressions, understanding tone, maintaining eye contact, and reacting in real time. None of this exists in a text message. If you rely too much on digital communication, your brain misses out on learning these essential skills. So, how do you fix this? Simple. Get more reps in. One of the fastest ways to improve your social skills is what I call the 100 Interaction Challenge. The goal? Have 100 small conversations in the next 30 days. And no, they don't have to be deep or meaningful. Just saying, "Hey, how's your day?" to a stranger counts. When I first tried this challenge, I started with something easy, asking for directions. "Hey, do you know where the nearest coffee shop is?" Even if I already knew the answer, it gave me an excuse to interact. At first, it felt awkward, but by the 20th or 30th conversation, I realized something. Talking to people wasn't scary anymore. My brain was adjusting. I was getting better without even trying. Now, let me be clear. You will have awkward moments. You'll fumble your words. You'll feel uncomfortable. But think of it like learning to ride a bike. No one masters balance on day one. You wobble, you fall, you get back up. And eventually, you just get it. The same applies to socializing. The more you do it, the more natural it becomes. Before you know it, you'll walk into any room and start conversations effortlessly. So here's my challenge to you. Start small. Say hi to a barista. Compliment a coworker. Ask a stranger for directions, even if you already know the way. Keep doing it until talking to people feels as natural as sending a text. Because the secret to social confidence isn't a magic trick, it's practice. And the only way to get better is to start today. If you found this helpful and want to level up your communication skills even more, be sure to subscribe for more insights on personal growth and success. And if you're ready to take on the 100 Interaction Challenge, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear how it goes. Now go out there and start talking.